Hello everyone! Mobile Suit Gundam Hathaway is a very popular Gundam movie, isn't it? Did you notice that the sound of the Gundam known as Penelope, piloted by the protagonist's rival, is very distinctive when it flies? There's a reason for this. In the novel released prior to the movie, it was written that it makes a unique flying sound. This, along with the director's desire for a monster movie-like atmosphere, gave birth to this feature. It's the result of merging an old description with a modern perspective. Also reflected is the setting that Penelope's flight system is still in development compared to the Red Ku Gundam. I highly recommend paying attention to the adorable sound of Penelope flying while watching the movie.